Someone trying to explain maths. Gödel's theorems. Is this physics? Computer science breakthroughs developed through math. Professor, I also put an advanced Fourier system on the main hallway chalkboard. The problem on the hallway chalkboard. Find the adjacency matrix A. The matrix giving the number of 3-step walks. The generating function for walks from point Y to J. The generating function for walks from points 1 to 3. Any plans for the weekend? Me, I'll be in my bedroom, making no noise and pretending that I don't exist. It's just me and the Calculus for Dummies textbook. I'll study the material and try to solve every problem in the book. Me teaching a newbie in the lab how to use the print screen button to collect diagrams and graphs before putting them into papers for publication in Q1 journals. Wait, it's all generated by a single algebra. Always has been. Equational classes. Free algebras generated by an infinite set. Corporate needs you to find the difference between this picture and this picture. Topologists. They're the same picture. Category theorists encountering any other topic. How can I read this? There are no commutative diagrams. When you have to solve an integral for a surface area problem, and not even the professor knows how to solve it. Oh, Neptune. PDE with limit boundary conditions. You have freed us. Fourier transform that has an impossible inverse. Oh, I wouldn't say freed. More like under new management. Thesis examiner, can you tell me the real-world applications of your work? Math PhD students. No. Linear algebra. Game developers. Statistical modeling. Machine learning. Deep learning. Physics. When the sequence is Cauchy but not convergent, the limit ought to be here. But it isn't. Impossible. Perhaps the space is incomplete. Gen Alpha in the statistics class when they find out about mu and sigma. Uni exam. A company has 20 customers. Each month they have a 43% chance of gaining 3 customers and a 32% chance of losing 2 customers. How many customers will they have in 8 years? Please answer to 2 decimal places. That is not how probabilities work. Abstract algebra. Problem mathematicians could not solve for hundreds of years. Plus C. Me finishing the most grueling integration of my life. No A appears in the spelling of numbers up to 100. No A appears in the spelling of numbers up to 999. The first A appears in the spelling of 1000. Mathematicians. A quarter of a circle is P2 radians. No, it should be T4. It is more logical. Physicists and engineers. A quarter of a circle is 90 degrees. Indeed. The weatherman thinks that it will rain. If the probability of rain is 90%, that means if we have 100 parallel universes, then in 90 of them, it will rain, and 10 of them, it will not rain. The weatherman thinks that it will rain. Questions about ladders leaning up against walls. People writing trig 1 questions. What others see. What calculus students see. Proposition 1. N is not a natural number. Proof. Do not let n be a natural number. Euclid after discovering that 2 identical triangles are identical. What answer y'all get? Any answer other than 17 is wrong, and your education system failed you. The 2 horsemen of what the heck is this doing here? An atheist struggling to do exponents. They do not believe in a higher power. When the theorem sounds really interesting. Proof. The proof is left as an exercise for the reader. The 4 horsemen of hard-to-draw math symbols. The world is a cruel and unjust place. There is no harmony in the universe. The only constant is suffering. Minutes later. Oh my god, the matrix is diagonalizable. Me trying to solve math problems. Almost done. Almost. Oh yes. Oh no.